So we're working in OpenBB today. This is an open source Bloomberg terminal integrated directly into Python on your computer. It's really powerful. It's free, unlike the normal Bloomberg terminal, with a few limitations. But I'm finding that there's not a lot of resources online to show you how to navigate this. So I'm going to make this video as I'm learning. Right now I'm trying to export a data set because I'm having trouble. It's just too tedious to do it through Yahoo Finance and to clean it myself. So I'm going to show you guys how to export a data set through OpenBB. So this is the main hub, and we're going to be focused on stocks today. I'm going to use Apple as my example stock. So we're going to load that ticker, and then we are going to determine the start date. So we're going to go back to 2002. It's loading for the period from there up until present, and then from there we're going to go into forecasting menu, which is right here. This forecasting menu is really powerful. It can do a lot of time series forecasting. Maybe I'll save another video for this section, but for now we're just focused on this feature engineering. We're going to create our own data set. So let's add this exponential moving average in there. Successfully added to the data set. So that's EMA from this drop-down menu, and AAPL is the data set and also the ticker that we used to load our data. So let's add this relative strength index as well. And then we'll add some momentum. And now we can show our data set here. In my settings, I'm only showing 10 columns, so we're not going to get everything that we just added. But we can tell that dividends and stock splits are kind of worthless for what we're looking at right now. So before I export, I'm going to delete the dividend and stock split columns from this. Oops. And now I'm using this data set for my own project, trying to build my own forecasting models, but I've toyed around a little bit with these, and they're fairly accurate and they're fairly quick, and it's all open source. So now we're just going to export this. We also need to dictate the type of file, CSV file. Cool, and that goes straight onto our hard drive. And copy and paste that. We can take a look at what we created. Awesome. So as we can see, it goes back to 2002. And here's the 3 indicators that we added. And this looks like it's ready to go for some machine learning. And if it's not, they actually have exploration and data cleaning in here as well. But I'll get into that if need be. Anyways, that's a short little tutorial for how to create and export a data set in OpenBB. I'll keep some more of these coming if there's interest. I think this is a really powerful tool that's a bit underexplored.